Hello guys, welcome back to Chef ANBU Cooking channel. Today I will introduce our head barista, Mr. Del. He will show you how to make Redcurrant Mojito. It's very simple way. Let's see how to prepare.
Hello guys, good afternoon. Welcome to Chef ANBU Cooking channel. Today I will show you how to make the Redcurrant Mojito. Please, you can subscribe to our channel. Guys, now if you find my mojito is very interesting, you can follow us in our Instagram account and YouTube channel. And you can use this drink for your menu, in your cafe or in your at home. This is very refreshing drink if you are looking for a new mojito. This is my special mojito, only you can find it here, but you can make it at home as well. Hi guys, now let's start. Everything should be ready, the garnish, the fruits, our redcurrant. Now I'm cutting the lime wedges and put it into the glass. Again, another lime wedges. Some are for garnishing. Everything should be prepared well. At least then I'm doing the muddling to release the flavor of the aroma. Then I put next is the raspberry, then the strawberry, some 10 grams of currant. Again, continuous of muddling. So everything should be mixed well, and the flavor, you taste all the flavor. Next thing is the mint leaves. Now I'm doing the crushed ice. As you see, I have a crusher. That is the best equipment to crush ice. You know, the original mojito should be crushed ice. Then until you fill up the glasses. And then our Sprite or soda. Mostly Sprite is good for mojito, especially for the mocktail, because it gives perfect sweet. But if you don't like much sweeter, you can use soda or sparkling water. But I prefer to use Sprite. Then the flavoring, strawberry syrup around 20 ml. And the mojito mint syrup around same 20 ml. And then mix all together. And finally, our garnishing. It has a lime wheel, slice of strawberry, and some red currant. That's why we call it the Redcurrant Mojito. Now our mojito is ready. If you like my video, you can subscribe, and if you like my channel, you can continue. And thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy my Redcurrant Mojito.